Hey everybody, it's Matt Powers. I'm a seed saver, author, gardener, and family guy, and I teach people all over the world how to do stuff like this in their gardens, how to start food forests, how to live regeneratively on this planet, because I believe that everyone deserves to know how to live regeneratively on this planet. It's a human right, and because we have not made that a priority in our education system, we've inherited the world we have. And so we need to do better so that the next generation inherits a different world. So this is part of that. I just got these awesome lemon cucumbers. This one's kind of big. I think they might actually be better when you get them a little bit small, a little bit greener. But I'm going through and I'm finding all these massive ones. I'm gonna let some go to seed. But for the most part, right now we don't have tomatoes. They're green still. We don't have corn. They're still growing. The beans are still climbing. They're starting to wrap around the bean towers, the bean teepees. But what we do have, we've got tons of the lemon cucumbers and all sorts of things. We got Swiss chard. We've got herbs. We've got cilantro. We got different types of basil. We've got peppers. We've got carrots. See if I can get a carrot here. Oh, broke the tip off. So we got some carrots going here. Little squat carrots. Yeah, there's a lot of things going on here. Let's see what we got. So I like when I harvest my greens, I really like to remove them around the outer edge or the lowest part. Like with kale, I go from the lowest part down and then upward, because the growing parts of the kale plant are in the center, and then all the outer leaves are the older leaves, and so you just take and they just rip off like a tab. They pull off. So yep, so they just pull right off. Just like that. And there's that, that $3 that they're spending, or $2 maybe, that they're spending at the grocery store right there. Yeah, there's cilantro right here. There's my knife. There's my knife. My Permaculture Tools rice knife. So we just grab some herbs there. And we grab some more herbs over here. So there's a few dollars on herbs right there. Let's see what else we got in here. And you can use a knife when you're harvesting greens too. Sometimes they break, they don't break very cleanly, and having a clean cut can be really, really healthier for the plant. All right, so let's try to stay in the basket. Y'all still there? I don't have the camera switched around so I can see you, but let me see, make sure you're still there watching. Awesome. So this garden was really super easy to put together. I mean, that's the thing with annual gardens, especially in permaculture. We just instant garden. It's like boom, we have a garden set up within a matter of like weeks, and then it establishes like this. You got deep, rich soils. It's easy to set this up. So I'll just keep harvesting. You can see what's in here. So yeah, I typically don't want to get too far in because I don't want to be stepping really in. But I can go like this. Grab these two. These two, this one. I think we got a dozen lemon cucumbers now. We've got enough greens, I think. So we've got so many things here. Yeah, we've got about a dozen lemon cucumbers. We've got some herbs. Got some beautiful purple carrots right there. Lemon cucumbers. Lots of beautiful Swiss chard. Got some beautiful kale. Oh yeah, you can just see just endless supply of lemon cucumbers. I'm gonna have to start pickling these, getting them a little bit earlier. But you know, the wonderful thing about having a surplus is that you can really pick and choose what you want to eat. You can eat the best of the best and then pass the rest on to your animals, your chickens and your ducks, and make sure that they're getting, you know, the kind of diet that they deserve. So yeah, I think there's maybe one or two other things in here that are ready. The squash are not ready yet. So the tomatoes, the peppers, for the most part, there's a pepper right here that's almost ready. The corn and the beans, they're all crops that finish later in the season, and when they're done, you know, and you can just chop and drop everything and drop it all down to a new mulch layer. And then when you plant in that, it's even better, and you keep this cycle of growing the soil, and it's just easy. And most of this stuff, I mean, it's annual, but you keep doing this to your Swiss chard, and it's going to keep producing for a very long time.